Okay, let's read the seventh question. Write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Recurring means repeating. So you can write down. Just I have taken a root 2 value. If you have calculator with you or mobile, you can try the root 2 value. Of course, in the calculator or in the mobile, they can show you some digits only up to the limit of the screen, but if you actually does, it will be so long, that means unending decimals. So root 2 value 1.41421 and so on. Root 3 value 1.732 and so on. Root 7 value 2.6451 and so on. Students, you can remember just two places of decimals or three places of decimals: 1.414, 1.732, 2.645. So like that you can recall. And so on is important. If you don't say and so on, it will be terminating. If you say and so on, it will be non terminating decimal. Let us see the eighth one. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So here we have 5 by 7 is a rational number, 9 by 11 is a rational number. Two rational numbers are there. But here we have to find irrational numbers in between them. Now let us see. What is a 5 by 7 value? That is 0.714285 and so on. Now we cannot have P by Q form for irrational numbers. We have only decimal form for irrational numbers. And 9 by 11, that is 0.8181 and so on. Now first you take 5 by 7, write the value 0.714285 and so on. Write 9 by 11 value 0.8181. If you see this one 0.71, if you see this one, this is 0.81. So almost 0.1 difference is there. So in between them, that means we should not take more than 8, we should not take less than 7. Therefore in between 7.1 to 8.1, sorry, 0.71 to 0.81 we have to take. Now 7-1, you take 730, 7300, 73000 and so on is an irrational number. You can create by your own, but it should not cross 8.1, it should not below 7.1, sorry, 0.71. Here 0.740, 7400, 74000 and so on. And this is 0.780, 7800, 78300 and so on. So like that you can create any number and you can keep and so on. Then they are called as irrational numbers. Okay, let us see ninth question, last one from this exercise. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So what is root 23? What is root of 16? 4. Root of 25? 5. So other than those numbers which are not having perfect roots, they are irrational numbers. So root of 23, the value is, there is no perfect square for root 20 for 23, therefore it is an irrational number. It will continue like that. And root of 225 look like a root, but root of 25 is 15, therefore it is a rational number. 0.3796, there is no and so on dots, therefore it is terminating decimal. So if it is terminating decimal, it is a rational number. Okay, now here 7.478478 and so on. This is non-terminating and it is a repeating decimal. It is also a rational number. So we can check and so on will be for the two cases, one for a repeating decimal and other for irrational number. But what is the difference? Irrational number, all the numbers will always change, like 7, 9, 5, 8, 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, and there is no pattern to be repeated. But here there is a pattern, 478, 478, 478 will repeat like that. Now the last one, 1.10, 100, 100, 140, 1 and so on. It is non-terminating and non-repeating, but the repetition is always different. Therefore, there is no repetition. So the different numbers will appear. Therefore, it is a non-terminating, non-repeating is nothing but a irrational number. That's all from the ninth question. 1.3 exercise completed.